Hey guys, it's me, Natalie or Nat. Welcome to my channel, Glam Slam Nails. And if you're new, my name's Natalie and I like doing nails, reviews, hauls, anything, everything to do with nails. And occasionally, I like watching channels that make foods and stuff. So, I'll tell you, and there's more to that in a minute. I do have a guest with me today. Say hello, guest.
Hello, guest.
It's Dominic. It's being silly. So, I got a parcel today. And it's off Tracy's allotment, and she does food and all sorts of stuff. She has an allotment and it's fantastic. And she said to me, I'm going to get some nails and I'm going to get some Grinch nails for Christmas. And I went, no, you're not. I'll do you some. So I made her some and sent, and she sent me this huge package today. And
how much it weigh?
God knows. It's heavy. And so me and Dominic are going to open it now. She's got a little arrow pointing this way up. She was a bit worried because she told me she was sending it, but she said, I've got a feeling that the woman at the post office is going to shake it and do all sorts to it. She made me laugh. Anyway, I won't go into detail, but yeah. So I will open this now and we'll have a look what she's put in here. Oh, dead excited. I don't think it's more exciting, me or Dominic. Dominic quite excited.
I'm thrilled, yes.
You see, I know you really mean that you're thrilled, but you sound snarky. So stop. I do like this paper though. Oh, I see. All right, now I see. Now I see what she's done.
It's inside that wrapping paper.
You know when you try and open something nice and you want to keep everything nice? It's not going to happen with this. Sorry, let me just... I think Dominic would come over and help with you, you know. I'd just rather sit there and watch. She's gone to town with it, hasn't she? She's proper done it. Now, I'm going to make an observation, Tracy. This paper is inside out. That is the inside. I'm just saying. No,
I think she want a name.
I think she did as well.
It says she could write on it.
No. Right. Let's get this. I have one of these handy dandy tools. Actually, Dominic gave me this. It's about the only thing he's ever given me. Apart from loads of grief. Gives me a lot of that, don't you, Dominic? No. So, do you want to tell us about yourself, Dominic? What do you do?
No.
You want to tell us what you do for a living?
No.
Why?
Because I don't want to.
I think he's really interested.
It's really interesting people are interested.
Oh, sorry guys. Dominic, he works with Wi-Fi and he's very good at it. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, sorry. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at all this. Bloody hell. Tracy. And I've watched her make these, I really have. I've watched her videos making them. Oh, blackcurrant jam. I'm going to love that. I've seen her do it.
Nice on a piece of toast.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's sweet chilli. I bet that's lovely with a bit of chicken, that. Gorgeous.
Cheese.
Oh, yeah, and I got them cheeses as well, didn't I? Got them the other day. What's this? I saw her making this and I thought, that's alright, I've never had that before. This is rhubarb and strawberry jam.
Oh, it sounds
Yeah, it does. I watch her make them right. She boils her jars and you have to, it's brilliant what she does. This lady, her and her husband, they've got an allotment. Sorry, I'm gonna phone about her because I love her. They've got an allotment and they make they grow all their own veg and everything, and she does inspire me. She really does inspire me. It's brilliant to watch. Matt, I have a plan. I've got 2 beds.
Has she got a YouTube channel?
Yeah. I will put a link to her channel. Now, she inspires me because I want to try and grow. I'm not going to go into too much detail about what happened, but I had a bit of a bad time. I'm alright, I'm good, but I want to try growing all my own food. Well, vegetables mainly. So I've got a space that we've cleared virtually anyway, and Dominic's going to put me on it. Well, you're going to put me 2 beds in, aren't you? So I can try and
get around to it.
No, he's not getting around to it. He's doing it. Oh, Dominic, you're going to love her. Wait till you see what she's putting in you. Oh God. So yeah, she does inspire me. Yeah. No, it has not got your name on it. It's got my name on it. I'm sure it says Glam Slam Nails. them. I watched her making them. Oh, Dominic, look at these, man. Oh, do you know what these are?
Well, it's a cookie.
Yeah, but do you know what flavour these are? Mince pie chocolate cookies. He loves them.
Nice.
He loves mince.
He
Loves mince pies. He's like, honestly, but wait till you see this, Dominic. Look at this. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Isn't that gorgeous?
That is nice.
That is proper Christmas cake.
Yeah.
Do you know what the irony of it is? I've watched her make all these, and every time I'm going like, oh, yum, 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 yum. My mouth's watering watching it, and I love it because you know everything's from scratch with her. It's brilliant. Yeah, like I say, I will link a channel. I'll just open her card. She's so sweet, and her dog is called. One of her dogs is called Oscar, and one of my cats is called Oscar. Let me see if I can put this back a bit more so you can. No, that's as far as it'll go. Oh, look at this, guys. Just look at this. She's so kind. Oh, there's only two of us. Oh, lovely. I'm overwhelmed, actually. Oh, Merry Grinchmas. That's the nail of wedding. Oh, what? Feeling Grinchy. Merry Christmas. Lots of love. Tracy, Carl, Dylan, Ruben and Oscar. Oh, Tracy, I don't know what to say. Thank you so much. This is just so generous. Isn't that lovely of her? Nice. It's so sweet. But me and Dominic are going to go off now and have a cup of tea and we're going to try one of these between us.
Well, I've got a pie in the oven.
I know you have.
have.
But that, I'm definitely keeping this for Christmas for Dominic. I mean, Dominic loves Christmas cake. Absolutely loves it. But I'll be having a little piece of that. I'll be having that gingerbread man anyway. I'll be eating him. Definitely. Tracy, you are too kind. I'll put a link to her channel in my description. But if you like anything to do with cooking or anything like that, I'm telling you, this girl is amazing. She does some amazing stuff. She's incredible. And I just love her to bits. Brilliant. And they've got a camper van as well, and the dogs are gorgeous. So yeah, if you like anything like that, honestly, follow her. She's brilliant. Thanks for clicking on the video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. And I hope you come back again. And I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.